Looking for a reliable, well-maintained vehicle? Check out this 2017 Hyundai Tucson SE Sport Utility. It comes with a dealer service history, current Georgia state emissions, and original books. This Tucson is a dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle, backed by our Quality Plus warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles. Plus, at the time of sale, you can take advantage of a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price in addition to the advertised price. Want even more peace of mind? Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade available at the time of sale. We understand buying a car is a big decision. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status and associated benefits. You can also upgrade the CPO warranty at a discounted rate when you purchase. As always, we encourage a pre-purchase inspection to ensure your confidence in this vehicle's quality. Don't miss out. Call today.